The cosmos is a vast ocean, filled with countless worlds, stars, and mysteries. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky with wonder, dreaming of what lies beyond our small blue planet. Among the most profound questions we face is whether we are alone, or if other civilizations exist, silently watching from the depths of space. On October 19th, 2017, astronomers made a discovery that would ignite imaginations worldwide. They detected an object unlike any they had seen before, an interstellar visitor hurtling through our solar system, arriving from the dark reaches of the galaxy. This object was named Oumuamua, a Hawaiian phrase meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. Unlike the countless asteroids and comets that orbit our sun, Oumuamua was different. It traveled faster, moved on a trajectory that defied conventional patterns, and exhibited properties that challenged our understanding of natural space objects. Suddenly, the question, "Are we alone?" took on a new urgency. Was Oumuamua just an unusual chunk of cosmic debris? Or was it something more, a probe, a messenger, or even a spacecraft sent by an extraterrestrial intelligence? Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Oumuamua, exploring every theory and every clue we have gathered so far. The discovery of Oumuamua marked a watershed moment in modern astronomy. It was the first time humanity had direct evidence of an object passing through our solar system from another star system, a cosmic visitor traveling across unimaginable distances. Detected by the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope on the summit of Haleakala in Hawaii, Oumuamua appeared as a faint, fast-moving dot in the sky. Initial observations suggested a comet, but as astronomers scrambled to gather more data, it became clear this visitor defied conventional categorization. Its speed was extraordinary. Oumuamua was moving at nearly 196,000 miles per hour, fast enough to escape the sun's gravitational pull, indicating it was not bound to our solar system, but merely passing through. The trajectory was hyperbolic, a path not repeated by any object known to orbit the sun. Even more puzzling was its lack of a cometary tail. Typically, comets shed gas and dust when warmed by the sun, creating spectacular glowing tails visible from Earth. Oumuamua remained stubbornly dark and devoid of such features. This strange combination of speed, trajectory, and appearance stunned astronomers. It was a visitor from the stars, our first chance to study material from another solar system up close. As scientists observed Oumuamua, they noticed the brightness of the object fluctuated wildly. In fact, its brightness varied by a factor of 10 as it spun, a level of variation rarely seen in any known space object. These fluctuations revealed a startling fact. Oumuamua was highly elongated, with an aspect ratio estimated to be as much as 10 to 1. To put that into perspective, if it were 10 meters wide, it might be 100 meters long, an extreme shape that has no parallel among asteroids or comets in our solar system. But what could cause such a strange form? Many natural processes tend to round out or fragment objects over time. Yet, here was Oumuamua, tumbling end over end through space, its surface reflecting light unevenly as it rotated. Some researchers suggested it might be cigar-shaped. Others proposed a pancake-like flatness. But regardless of the exact shape, the tumbling motion added complexity, indicating that Oumuamua's spin was irregular and chaotic. Its strange shape and tumbling rotation raised fundamental questions. Could such an object survive interstellar travel? Was it a piece of shattered planetesimal debris, or something deliberately shaped? In the face of these mysteries, most scientists turn to natural explanations grounded in astrophysics and planetary science. One widely discussed theory suggested that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a larger celestial body torn apart during a violent collision or close encounter with a star in a distant solar system. Another compelling idea gained traction in 2023, proposing that Oumuamua was composed of molecular hydrogen ice, a rare and exotic form of ice that sublimates invisibly at very low temperatures. This theory explained the object's unexpected acceleration as it passed near the Sun, caused by outgassing of hydrogen, which would be invisible to our telescopes. Still, no single natural explanation perfectly fit all of Oumuamua's strange traits. Its shape, its acceleration, and its absence of visible gas emissions continue to confound researchers. Despite exhaustive studies, Oumuamua remains one of the most puzzling objects ever detected, inviting us to reconsider our understanding of how material moves through the galaxy. Amid the scientific efforts to explain Oumuamua naturally, one voice stood out with a radical proposition. Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, suggested that Oumuamua might not be natural at all. It could be an artifact of an extraterrestrial civilization. Loeb argued that the unexpected acceleration of Oumuamua couldn't be explained by gravity or comet-like outgassing alone. Instead, he proposed that it could be a light sail, an ultra-thin, flat object propelled by the pressure of starlight, similar to technology humans are beginning to explore for space travel. He suggested that Oumuamua's shape and motion fit the profile of a solar sail designed to travel interstellar distances, perhaps a probe sent intentionally to explore the galaxy or to observe distant civilizations like ours. This idea ignited a fiery debate within the scientific community. Many experts criticized the hypothesis as speculative, lacking direct evidence, and urged caution against jumping to extraterrestrial conclusions. Others welcomed it as a legitimate possibility that should be explored openly. The debate highlighted a critical aspect of science: the willingness to explore all plausible explanations, even those that challenge conventional wisdom. Now, years after its fleeting visit, Oumuamua has disappeared into the darkness of interstellar space. Our telescopes can no longer track it, and the brief window of observation remains the only chance to study this mysterious visitor. The questions linger. Was Oumuamua a natural fragment ejected from a distant star system? Or was it an advanced probe sent by a civilization beyond our own? We may never know for sure. Yet, Oumuamua has already reshaped our approach to the cosmos. It demonstrated that interstellar objects do pass through our solar system, and that these visitors can carry secrets about other star systems, planetary formation, and possibly life beyond Earth. The discovery has motivated astronomers to develop new telescopes, early warning systems, and even potential missions to intercept future interstellar visitors, ensuring that the next encounter will be studied in unprecedented detail. The universe remains vast and mysterious. Oumuamua was a cosmic messenger, fleeting yet profound, reminding us that the galaxy is filled with unknowns, waiting to be discovered. As technology advances and our gaze penetrates deeper into the stars, we must remain curious, patient, and open-minded. Because the next visitor, natural or artificial, may come when we least expect it, carrying messages from across the cosmos.